Here I have Honor 10X Lite, and today I'm going to show you how to find sound settings on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, and then you just have to enter the sounds and vibration section. And here you have all of your sound settings. You can adjust sounds, volume sounds here. You can enable silent mode, you can enable vibrate in silent mode, default volume button control. You have do not disturb mode here. You can select phone ringtone, messaging ringtone, notification sound. You have more sound settings here. You can enable keypad tones, you can enable sound when you lock your screen, you can enable sound when you take screenshot, when you touch your screen, so many sounds. I don't want to be distracted, I'll just gonna turn them all off. No sound for me. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.